Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Salesforce AI Champions. Today we'll be going to talk about how to bulk merge cases in Salesforce in a customized way. So this is a part 3 tutorial of case merge in Salesforce. So in part 1 and part 2 tutorials we have talked about how to enable case merge in Salesforce from the quick find, and we can just configure what would be the status when the case got merged. We can create a new status field values as well. And we have talked about how to merge those three at up to three case records using the standard out of the box merge cases feature. And so if you have not watched those tutorials of part 1 and part 2, please do check it out. That will be helpful to get started with this video. But for today's video we are going to talk about like how to merge more than 3 case record in a customized way. So I have already built one lightning web component that will help us to merge more than 3 records in Salesforce. So in Salesforce, the limitations of merging out of the box in a way, merging up to 3 records we can merge, right? If I just, for example, if I select 4 case records and if I just click on it button, so it is will say that select 2 or 3 cases and try again, right? So this is the limitations that we have already talked about in those tutorials. And in these tutorials we are going to see that lightning web component that I built, and it will be help to merge more than 3 case records. And for the all the case records, all the related records, for example case comments, then what are the attachments are added, what are the field values for the other case record will be merged to the master case record, right? So now let me just gone through how we can see that lightning web component from case record page. And in the case record page I have added this button in the highlight panels, in action bulk case merge, right? If I just go to the edit object and let me just show you how. So I have already created that action button, so you can find the action button from button links and actions. So in here you can see bulk case merge, right? So this is the custom action button, and the name of the button is bulk case merge, and it is on the object case, and the action type is lightning web component. And in here this is the lightning web component case merge, and the subtype is screen action, right? So subtype is screen action, and so I have used this one, right? So that we can just add this as a action button, right? So target configs, in target configs we just need to declare the action type as screen action, and the target should be lightning record action, right? So this is how we can just enable this LWC component to be available in that action button. And this LWC component I have already, I'll not go through this step by step how we can configure and how we can develop this LWC component and this controller class, case merge controller class. I have pushed all the changes of the code in my GitHub repo. You can find, I'll be adding that tutorial. I'll add that GitHub link in my YouTube video description, and you will find like this is the case merge controller is being uploaded in this repo, and you will find the LWC component as well. So you can just clone my repo and just play it around. I'll add this GitHub link in this video description, right? So now let me just show you. So I have already created few dummy records to show you the demo. For example, if I just open the list view, all open cases, and you can see like there are 5 case records, like, right? Demo merge case 1, demo merge case 2, and if I just open random one case record, and you can see there are a lot of other related records are there. So I added this related record because I can demonstrate like how the case merge will happen. So whenever after the case merge record, all these related record, for example open these activity records, then case comments, then attachments, will be migrated into the master record, right? So now let me just show you how it will work. So let me just click on the bulk case merge, right? So now this is the first page of the LWC component, search and select cases to merge. search by case number, subject, contact name. So I'm going to search with the subject, like for example demo. So I created these 5 case records. So we can select one by one case record, and after the selection, you can see under this selected cases section, you can see all the selected cases, right? So we we can just select by clicking on this checkbox. So in here, the data table component is being used, right? So if I just open quickly the LWC component, you can see this is the lightning data table, right? So lightning data table is being used to show these search results. So after this selection, all the selected case record will be shown in these sections, selected cases. Now if I just choose, like we are going to choose the master record in which all the cases information will be migrated. So now we can see out of the 5 case records, it is showing all the case records which we can select one of the case record as master. So let me just choose this case record as a master. So after clicking, we can see that this master tag is showing for the selected case record, right? So select the case that will be kept as primary record. All related records from all other cases will be removed to this case, right? To be moved in this case, right? And we can see there are different related records are there. For example, one comments, one task, one file. For this case, like we can see 2 comments, 2 tasks, one file, and same like that. There are different related records are there for each of the case records. So right, so all these related records will be migrated into this master case record 1112, right? So another thing, after merging, we'll be seeing that the existing case record which are getting merged to the master record, so those existing case records will be marked as closed. The status will be closed, and the subject will start with the merged keyword, and there will be a link to the master case record as well, right? So this is how I have developed the lightning web component. So this is a 3-step lightning web component, as you can see. So first is the search and select, then choose master, then review and merge, right? So this is how we can just search, select and merge unlimited number of cases record, right? So and let me just go to the next page now. So I have selected the master case record, and now let me just click on next and review. And in this page, we can see this review and merge section is appear. Review the merge summary below. Once confirmed, the action cannot be undone, right? So this is the master case record for which all the case records will be migrated, and you can see the cases to merge. 4 cases will be merged into this case record, and these are the total related records are showing as well, right? So merge summary, like 14 comments, 14 tasks, 4 files will be migrated. So we can see the 4 duplicate cases will be permanently deleted, and all the related records will be reparented to the master case. So I just need to update this permanently deleted sentences. So currently what I have done, like this will not be deleted, so I just need to update this sentence. So how it will work, like the existing case records which are getting merged will not be deleted, just the statuses will be updated to closed, and it will be marked as merged. So if I just click on confirm merge, and we'll be seeing the merge has been completed, right? So merge complete, and we can see the successfully merge has been completed. A successfully 4 case record merged to this. 32 related records were reparented, and duplicate cases have been closed, right? So now if I just go to the master case record, and we'll be seeing like this is the master case record. The case number is 1112, and in the related records we'll be seeing like all the activities record is getting migrated in here. In the comments, we'll be seeing a lot of other comments from, we can see all the comments have been migrated, all the activities have been migrated, all the files have been migrated, right? So attachments are 5, like, right? So this is how it will work. Now let me just go to the list view again. So now if I just go to the open cases, now in the open cases I can only see the master case record, which is case number 1112, right? Now if I just go to the closed cases, now we'll be seeing these closed cases, right? See, for last four one are the for this demo: merge demo case merge demo merge case 2. For example, if I just open this case record and if I just navigate, just scroll down a little bit, we can see that this is the demo case number 3 with the distinct files, comments and tasks, and the merge into the case this number 1112, right? And the master case link also is given, right? So we can just navigate to the particular case record, right? So this is how it will work. And hope if you find this tutorial helpful. So I have, as mentioned, I have already pushed all the code into my GitHub repo, and you can just pull the changes and you can just play it around. So today we have talked about this bulk merge, which functionality that we can just customized in Salesforce. So in Salesforce, since there is a limitation of merging up to 3 case records, that is why we can just build this custom case merge functionality. So, and the custom Apex backend manually reparents all the related case records, right? So as we see, related child records, right, including case comments, email messages, tasks, events, files, and child cases, moving them into securely designated to the master case record. So no records is being missing, or no records is being misplaced or deleted, right? The case records are also not be deleted, rather than the statuses will be closed and they will be marked as merged, right, in the subject line. So this is how we can just merge more than 3 case records in Salesforce in a custom way. So if you find this tutorial helpful, please do like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel, and if you like this video, please do consider to take membership into my channel. That will motivate me to create more tutorials for you. So I'll be uploading more tutorials on Salesforce, Omni Studio, Data Cloud, Agentforce, as well as Flows topic. So please stay tuned, and thanks for watching.